First of all, I'm 46 years old. I had very, very deep crevices, I wouldn't even call them wrinkles, along my lip line, my forehead. I had great big bags underneath my eyes. I had deep crevices along here. I also had a flap of skin that started at my chin and went to my neck. And I wanted the procedure done to eliminate the wrinkles and also to get rid of the flap. Along with the fat injections, I got this effect where I now have a jawline. I had a flap of skin that went from here to here that was totally eliminated. With the fat injections, I got rid of my wrinkles here. I got rid of the deep crevices along my mouth, along my chin. I got rid of the deep crevices in here, and it absolutely took 20 years off of my face easily. I also have fat injections in my lips. I didn't have an upper lip at all. I had a very small lower lip. With the fat injections, now I have two beautiful full lips. There's absolutely no strange feeling, numbness, tingling, nothing. They feel totally natural. Other than when I look in the mirror, they look totally different to me. They're so much better. I feel nothing strange at all. Totally. I had fat injections done along the bone in here before. I had a lot of loose skin in here, a lot of wrinkles in there. You could see wrinkles even along the brow line. With the fat injections, it plumped it up till my eyes look like they're younger. It totally eliminated the wrinkles. Due to the fact that I had breast implants at the time, I was under an anesthesiologist. But I didn't even take any pain pills after the procedure. You have swelling, there is bruising, but it's not uncomfortable. You feel just tight, swollen, and within about 3 days, I was totally up, running around, doing anything I wanted to do. As a matter of fact, after really the first day, I was up doing things, but it really doesn't limit you at all. I had swelling in my lips up to about 4 weeks. After 4 weeks, you could tell that they went down drastically. There is a lot of swelling at first, but it's day by day you start seeing it go down, and eventually you shrink down to where you're just totally normal. Actually around the 4-week mark, I was totally fine. All the bruising had gone, the discoloration, and almost all the swelling was down. It was a little swollen, but not bad. After 10 days, actually, I went back to work. I wore sunglasses and to and from the place I work at, and I went to work and I was fine. Yes, I was swollen, but I just explained that I had a procedure and nobody thought anything of it. I would do it a million times over. I absolutely love it. You have an expectation or a hope of what it would turn out to look like, but it's way past anything that I expected, and I love it so much. And I look in the mirror and I'm still me, but I'm 20 years younger, easily. So I would recommend it to anyone. When I first came in, I thought I might need a facelift. That's what I was kind of leaning towards. After talking with Dr. Warfel, he explained the facelift versus the fat injections. And he thought at the time I really didn't need the facelift. I needed fat injections to do what I wanted. So we went for the fat injections, and I absolutely am so impressed with the end result. You couldn't ask for a better end result. I'm so happy with the way I look. I absolutely love it. I definitely will if needed. I'm going to do the fat injections as long as they keep my appearance where it is now. If we can't do that any longer with fat injections, I would go for a facelift, no problem. I absolutely had the most wonderful experience here in Dr. Warfel's office. Everybody was friendly, experienced, and I have recommended he and his associates to everyone I know. The end results are just incredible, and anyone that has any lack of self-confidence due to facial features or body, problems, you should do it. You only live once and you need to be happy with yourself, and I'm happy now. I had a lot of things done the same day. I had fat injections below the lower eye. He made a cut and took out the fat underneath the eyelids. I had my lips done. I had all the wrinkles injected. I had liposuction below the jawline. I had breast implants. I had liposuction off my abdomen, my inner thigh. He was able to use all the fat to inject into my own face. And after everything I had done, it was surprisingly easy. I wasn't in any pain. Yeah, I was uncomfortable, but it wasn't anything that I couldn't tolerate at all. I never took one pain pill. I took a Tylenol the day I came home, and other than that, that was it. I was up and moving and getting my food for myself on the second day. I was bathing. I rested a lot, but after 10 days, I was up and back to work.